welcome back to our channel. Hope you are doing really good. So everyone must be tired. So it's been a very good week. So we are going to make our tummy happy. So in this video we are going to make homemade chicken nuggets because most of our parents doesn't like us to eat this like the chicken nuggets which is available in shop or in any other restaurants because they think it's not healthy, and yes, they are wrong. So in this video we are going to show you how to make homemade chicken nuggets. So hereafter you don't need any restaurants or shop to get your chicken nuggets. You can make it by yourself and have a healthy chicken nuggets. So let's get to this healthy recipe. We need 4 sliced bread and we have to cut them into pieces as shown in the video. And now you have to add the sliced bread pieces into a grinder and grind it well. And add 500 grams of chicken breast because we don't want the chicken bones over there, so you can take the breast chicken. And you have to add 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half teaspoon of pepper powder and half teaspoon of paprika powder and half teaspoon of salt. Then you have to mix it. And we are going to grind all of them together. So now you can see it has become a paste. And it's time for us to knead this paste. You have to add 1.5 teaspoon of oil and start kneading it. So we are going to cut them into pieces. So shapes can be differed, like if you want you can make it in different shape as well. So now we are going to add 1 medium egg to a bowl, 1 pinch of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon milk, and you have to beat it well. And now it's time for us to go for the next step. So you have to dip the chicken mixture to the egg mixture and then add it to breadcrumbs. So you can use breadcrumbs, or you can come up with any alternative ideas. So we have to continue this process for all the chicken mixtures. So you can see, once it's ready, you can start frying. So be careful when you fry it. So do not over fry it, and do not take it as raw. So it should be perfect. And once you feel like one batch is done, you have to do the next batch. And this is how it will be. So the crunchiest chicken snack is ready. So when we are making some dishes or any food varieties at home, it tastes really good. And especially when we are making this kind of junk food, I mean the meat varieties, it tastes a lot. So I know now it's time for you all to start making the chicken nuggets. So let us know how it turned out. We are eagerly waiting to hear from you. So the session is over because it's time for me to have it. So see you on next video, but before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button for more updates. See you on next video. Until then,